Hello, I'm Jo and I welcome you to my kitchen where I prepare delicious baby-friendly dishes. Right now I will share with you a recipe with waffles and yellow cheese. For this you need 2 eggs, 1 spoon of olive oil, 500 milliliters of milk, 250 grams of flour and 220 grams of yellow cheese. You mix the ingredients in this order that I presented you and you use a waffle machine. Let's go. The spoon of olive oil, the milk, flour, and yellow cheese. Now let's put it in the waffles machine. First round is ready. They smell incredibly well. I'll continue until I finish the whole composition. Last round is ready. The good part is that there's enough for the whole family. But you can always split the quantities in two for smaller portions. From where this recipe is coming from, there are more to be shared. So subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications and keep in touch. Bye!